name is Uzma Farheen and I'm a MTech student of Atria Institute of Technology. I'm so happy today that I've completed my Masters and I have got 6th rank in BTU, which is one of the honors. And also I'm from the Computer Science Department from Atria Institute of Technology. And I have got 9.14 CGPA. I thank Almighty for giving me this opportunity, which I am here today for.
The good memories that you want to take it from Atria campus.
Atria campus is really vibrant and beautiful. The teachers are very good, very cooperative. You don't feel like you're in a college or something. It's like a completely very vibrant environment over here. You'll enjoy Atria.
Tanmay, I'm from Computer Science and Engineering Department from the Atria Institute of Technology, batch 2018-2022. About Atria University, if I had to say, there are a lot of good things about it. There are great lecturers who are experienced. The professors are really helpful. And about my future plans, I want to do Masters in US and then continue PhD. I am personally interested in cryptography area or do something in the blockchain. My final year project also was based on that, which was research centric. So I'm currently freelancing to improve my experience and also working towards getting a seat in the masters for you.
Hi, my name is Sujata. I'm from ISC department. So I'm a student of Atria Institute of Technology from 2018 to 2022. Yes. And then I was very inquisitive student, like want to know more about these innovative things. And then I used to participate in all the sports activities and then all extracurricular activities. And then Atria Institute of Technology has supported me a lot so that I'm here. And then finally I have been graduated, yes. Coming to my journey, from the first year I have been the topper for my class. And then I feel pro excited because Atria Institute of Technology just not only focuses on only on the toppers, but it also focuses on the students who aspire more to study more. And then from the first year journey, I was very super excited. And then in the every sem, I used to top the semester. And then all my friends and then all my colleagues were very supportive. And then I actually want to tell you that Atria Institute of Technology has pushed me into the development field, so that I can do whatever I want, and then into the creative field, so that they accepted all the innovative things, innovative projects also have did in my college, and all the faculties are very supportive in a sense. And yes, the last thing, I have been graduated and then I'm the topper of the university, Atria University. So it has been great pleasure to be interviewed in this
Exactly. The last
thing.
question, what
Yeah.
you are missing and what the good memories that you are taking back?
To tell about this, I miss my friends and also the faculty members.
Yeah.
And the good memories is 4 years of engineering is like it still day one. We used to enjoy a single moment and then all the single day. So I miss that.
My name is Mohammad Ibrahim Junaid. I was a mechanical engineer from Mechanical Engineering Department, batch of 2022. Right now I'm working as a design engineer. My time in Atria Institute of Technology, one of the best time, because we had very good relation with our faculties. Like they used to help us a lot during our during my time in Atria. Like our final year project was funded and got first prize in state level through KCST. Like during not just our guide, but all teachers used to help us during our project, final year project. Like I have seen this Atria Institute of Technology grow from nothing. Now it is one of the best colleges in Bangalore right now.
And you know that mechanical is the mother of all industries.
Yeah, definitely.
Obviously.
Yes,
So what
sir.
is the branch that you want to focus on?
Design.
Design.
Yeah, I have done AutoCAD, Creo, CATIA. In our college also they had CATIA classes, extra classes, not PTO, extra classes they used to conduct for design. And we had a lot of research faculties. Like we had 3 research labs also. Additive manufacturing lab, nanotechnology lab, and digital manufacturing lab. So it was a very good time spent in Atria Institute of Technology. Like our prime years we had spent in Atria Institute of Technology.
Hi, I am Anirudh. I'm from Computer Science Engineering Department. So yeah, finally we are here at the graduation day, and 4 years have been completed, and we've been carrying so many memories together. And to talk about Atria Institute of Technology, this has been a great institute for me myself, because they've given me ample amount of opportunities to. They've given me ample amount of opportunities to grow as an individual holistically, not just academically. especially through responsibilities while taking care of fests or be it Saptrang or Dextrix or even any college event for that matter. I learned leadership skills from this institute, and this has been a great experience. Especially I was a Rotaract Club president, Rotaract Club of Atria president, and this helped me reach out to the community as well and help out to the people in need. And college supported me a lot in this, and I'm very grateful to Atria Institute of Technology for this opportunity which they bestowed upon me.
So, how you want to take your career to the next level?
So currently I have plans of going abroad to do masters. I'm very interested in design, user experience design, and this is where I want to grow as an individual. And yes, I'm also a photographer. I'm freelancing for a bit. So all these opportunities, I started getting these opportunities in college itself, and I'm very happy to be a part of Atria Institute of Technology and graduating from here.
Hi, I'm Shivram. I was working in Quest Global Engineering Services near Marathalli. I completed B in Mechanical Engineering from Atria Institute of Technology. I was selected as Best Student of the Year from my batch, and I got third rank, and which was selected for VTU, which was all over the university, and I got first rank all over my batch in the 7th sem and 8th sem, and I was the best outgoing student of the year. So we did a project called brake pad, which was involving the composites. So the future is mainly dependent on composite materials, like for example aircrafts. So I'm basically working on my project only, like I have done the project on composites. So now where I'm working about is aircraft, so it is directly related to composites. So thank you.
When you
So,
were a mechanical student,
Yeah.
So what was your experience of workshop experience and campus experience?
Yeah, it was a very good experience. We had a vast amount of experience to the machine shop and design labs, everything. We got experience in CATIA, Creo and ANSYS and all. So it helped me so much. Like now I am working on CATIA, and so many of the design softwares also I learnt.
So in what way you are going to acknowledge the contributions of Atria University in times to come?
Yeah, I'm going to contribute so much. Like I'll bring my college name to a higher level. Yeah.
All the best.
Thank
From the
you.
show.
I'm Gokul MK from Electronic and Communication Department, and I'm the past chair of IEEE from Atria Institute of Technology.
I'm Pranav. I'm again from Electronics and Communication Department. I joined Atria back in 2018, and now I'm graduating. So 2022 was my last year, and it's been a beautiful journey so far. So I've had this, I'd like to thank Atria for where I am today, because without Atria, I'm pretty sure that I wouldn't have reached where I am, because I'm somebody who's shy, but there have been a lot of opportunities here which I grab held of, and that was fantastic, to be honest. And that's what's actually brought me to what I'm doing. Now I'm working in this very reputed company, and I am in a level where I couldn't have imagined back when I was 4 years, down the lane. So yeah, it's been a beautiful journey so far, and it's going great.
Atria has given you a overall
Exposure to a lot of things.
Overall
Yes.
exposure to really face the real world.
Yes.
4 years ago, if you had asked me to do this interview, I would have hesitated.
Hesitated.
But that is exactly what this department did to me.
Yeah.
They built the confidence in me and made me into a better person than I already was.
How was your campus experience here?
It was pretty much amazing. Being from Atria, I have first-hand witnessed the college develop massively. The campus which you are witnessing now has grown massively, and we couldn't thank the management more for this.
So we've been growing along with Atria over this period of time, and we saw Atria evolve from what it was a couple of years back to what it is now. And to be very honest, looking back at when I joined college, I really miss this place, and I'm pretty sure that I'm going to miss this place ahead as well.
Yeah.
So
Continue
yeah.
your higher studies here.
I'm not planning on higher education. I'm just planning on going with work and building there. But yeah, it's been a beautiful experience, and I would.
You want to keep your association with your institute?
Yes, would love that.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes.
And
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yeah, I'm Raj. I'm also from the same batch. So EC, same department. The more important thing that I guess these people already highlighted. So the more important thing that I found was like just having the friends and the memories that we built. So even the work where I'm working now, I have friends there from areas that make the work more enjoyable. So it's even like these. I made friends basically that will last for much longer time.
So you are ever grateful to Atria Institute, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the fact is, we are all alumni, and we will still be contributing to the
Yes.
institute
Yeah.
and alma mater.
Good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hi, my name is Shiva Prasad and I am from the MBA batch of 2020 and 2022. I have been topped this batch for this year, and I would like to tell the highlights of the departments. This department is filled with both academic as well as industrial leaders, whereas our dean, Mr. Purnajit, which was there earlier, he had given me a lot of opportunities to grow, a lot of leadership opportunities also. I have been the class coordinator and the alumni coordinator for both the years, and also our college has been providing more of best practices, such as having a team leader activity. So where we have 7 members in our team, this encourages us to become to grow into the corporate role and to become a team leader as well in the early stage itself. So this we followed, and we are also able to help our other graduate fellow mates, to help them both academically as well as other activities, also push them to make more events and other stuff. So MBA has been very nice to me, and thanks to Atria and thanks to our faculty.